Hi, it's Jason at Jordan Bikes. They've got for you Kawasaki Versys 650 GT Special Edition. Absolutely loaded with extras of this, and one of the best all-round touring bikes you can buy if it's your first bike, or you just want a brilliant, light, agile bike that's cracking on fuel. Loads of extras. Biggest ones you can see the spotlights down there, LED spots. Be safe, be seen. Absolutely cracking. The black and the green paintwork. You get ABS. It's also got the 3-box luggage, which we'll come to in a second. Big touring screen up there as well. You've got the top box. It's got the added splash guard around the back, which you'll see. And it goes all the way around. Just a brilliant bike. So you have a nice big top box on there with the backrest and the splash guard down over the back wheel as well. 3,882 miles. That is all it's done, and it's a 2017 on a 67 plate. You can see on the dashboard there. So you've got a gear indicator, fuel gauge. 3,882 miles. Got a power socket over here as well. Got Oxford heated grips. Honestly, brilliant all-round bike. Big hand guards on there. Cracking bike. So if you don't want a massive big tourer that may be too heavy for you, this is just a brilliant all-round bike and a cracking looking bike it is. We'll give it a start for you. Really popular 650 Versys engine. It's cracking. So come on down to Jordan Bikes and take a look for yourself, or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.